Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look right here. I did it for, well, someone requested a pink smoky eye, and I think I would call this a pink smoky eye. I'm not that sure, but I hope you guys like it. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you think. I think this is a really nice dramatic look for Valentine's Day. Let me know what you think, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload in English and in Spanish every week, so be a part of this little family here. And now let's get started. As always, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer as an eyeshadow primer, and I already have a little bit of that concealer under my eyebrows because that's what I used to clean my eyebrows. Just need to make sure to blend it out neatly on the eyelid all the way up to my brow bone, and I'm just blending it out with my finger. Then I'm going to set it with the Rimmel Translucent press powder. You can use any powder that's the same tone as your skin tone. I'm gonna grab this BH Cosmetics brush and go into this pink eyeshadow from the Elements palette from Urban Decay, and I'm going to apply it right on my crease. And I really love this palette because it has so many different shades and they're very pigmented and so easy to blend out. I'm just going back and forth from corner to corner, and on this end over here I kind of like wing it out a little bit because you can see it on this side over here. It kind of goes out to here, but it like blends out really nicely. It's not like a harsh line, so that's what I'm trying to do. And for that I have to do it very lightly like this. I just got a little bit of the same shade so I can blend out the eyeshadow better and just bring it a little bit higher towards my eyebrows. And I'm also going to take that eyeshadow to my lower lash line. And I'm going to do the same thing right here, kind of like wing it out like this very lightly. I'm going to grab some of that same concealer on my finger and apply that on my eyelid just so the red eyeshadow can really grab onto my eyelid and stand out. You have to really make sure the concealer is nice and blended. The eyeshadow is going to grab on and stand out where the concealer is at. So if it's not blended, if you don't blend it out right, it's going to be weird. Now that mine is nicely blended, I'm going to grab this eyeshadow from the same palette, and with this Coastal Scents brush I'm going to tap it onto my eyelid. I always start by applying it on my eyelid and then work my way up towards the crease, and once it's already on my on my eyelid, I'm going to use the same brush, and without adding any more product I'm going to try to blend that out first. And if I want the color to be a bit deeper, then I just add another layer. And I just keep blending it out until I don't see the line from where the red eyeshadow begins. I'm going to grab the same eyeshadow, and using this tiny Coastal Scents brush, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to try to keep it as close to the lash line as I can, just so, because I really want the pink to stand out. Well, not to stand out, but to show a little. I just don't want to cover it up. I'm going to use the same brush and grab some of the black eyeshadow from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to do like a smoky eyeliner. So I'm going to try to keep this as close to my eyelashes as I can. Eyelashes that I'm going to wear are from Icon Drunk in Love. These are so dramatic. They feel very heavy on the eyes and are a bit tricky to apply, but they're gorgeous. And last but not least, I'm going to apply this Covergirl Lash Blast Active Mascara. This is their newest mascara, and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lashes. This mascara makes it so easy for me. It separates the eyelashes really nice, and it doesn't, after a while, it doesn't start, you don't end up with black under your eyes, so that's really good. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below what you think of it, if it was easy to follow, and for this video, I want to give a shout out to Tamara Abbott. I'm so sorry if I mispronounced that name, but thank you so much, Tamara, for subscribing to my channel. Mwah. I love you so much. And if you want a shout out in my next English video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification, and let me know in the comments below that you want a shout out. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.